festivities of Holi have already begun in Sambhal because right after a long wait of over 4 decades, the Kalkeshwar Mandir in Sambhal's Khagusarai area celebrated Holi in its true spirit. The local Hindus there marked the festivities with petal showers and splashing of colors and bhajans that are now being sung as part of the celebrations that are taking place amid tight security in the ancient town. Flag march that has also taken place with the circle officer there who is monitoring the security arrangements, leading his men as they march through sensitive areas to ensure law and order. Parallelly, the team of the ASI has also reached the Shahi Jama Masjid to oversee the whitewashing of the mosque. On the sidelines, when it comes to the president of the Sambhal Shahi Jama Masjid, also announcing that Friday prayers on the 14th of March, which is tomorrow, will be held at 2:30 p.m. because of the Holi celebrations. And when it comes to the procession route where the holy procession would be taken out tomorrow, the masjid that fall in the route have now been covered up with tarpaulins there so that they do not get splashed with holy colors. Let's in the meantime get a live update from Pradeep Datta, who is joining us from Sambhal itself. So we are getting to know, as far as amid tight security, Pradeep, flag marches are taking place, whitewashing by the ASI team which is currently monitoring it, and of course when it comes to the holy celebration at the Kalkeshwar Mandir, that too has been taking place.
Yes, you're absolutely right. In fact, Holi festivity is already gripped Sambhal area. On Choti Holi, we saw that after 48 years, that puja as well as the Holi celebration took place in Khagusarai area temple. That was opened only just few weeks back. Since 78, that temple had been closed. But now the celebrations are going on. Here you can see there's a lot of enthusiasm among people. Let me speak to the people. कितना जोश है इस बार होली को लेकर?
इस समय बहुत अच्छा जोश है. संभल के अंदर पहली बार ऐसी होली पहली बार हो रही है. इसका कारण पता क्या है? अनु चौधरी उनके माध्यम से इतना अच्छा काम हो रहा है संभल के अंदर. कोई पब्लिक देवक है, हिंदू समाज जागा पूरा है, योगी जी का आशीर्वाद उनके पास है. वो तो वैसे भी हनुमान जी के भक्त हैं. अनु
योगी जी is Hanuman ji's भक्त, so they are saying that all sorts of measures have been taken. Because short while back I showed you how the flag march was being conducted. Already you can see the streets are properly decked up for the occasion. Proper decoration has been done. You can see buntings also here. And what is more important is that there had been consensus, there had been consent, there had been proper consultation. This is the reason that the Masjid committee have decided to adjust namaz timing. Because short while back we spoke to Jama Masjid committee members also. They said that we are going to offer prayers at about 2:30. Because इस बार कितना जोश लग रहा है आपको? जोश कितना है होली को लेके?
होली को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा जोश है. और इस बार की होली उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की चूंकि संभल को लेकर तवज्जो है और हिंदुओं के अंदर बड़ा उत्साह का वातावरण है और सब लोग बड़े सौहार्द के साथ संभल बहुत अच्छी होली
में लगता क्या इस बार ज्यादा लोग हिस्सा लेंगे होली के प्रोसेशन में? हाँ,
होली के प्रोसेस में ज्यादा लोग भाग ही नहीं लेंगे, बल्कि भाग जो संपूर्ण ग्लोब पर इंडिया के लोग बाहर हैं संभल के, तो इस बार होली पर भी सब लोग एज ए टूरिस्ट संभल आ रहे हैं.
So they are saying that many people who had left Sambhal just because of 1978 riots, they will also be coming back to Sambhal. So there is a lot of excitement among people. And what is more important is that the Muslims have decided to adjust their prayers because at Jama Masjid the prayers will be offered at about 2:30 because they do not want the prayers to overlap with Holy procession, because the message of communal harmony has already been sent from the Sambhal region where the Muslims as well as Hindus will be celebrating Holi together. And there are more people here. इस बार कितना ज़्यादा business हो रहा है आपका होली में?
बिजनेस में आपके कम है आपके दाम.
इस बार कम हुआ क्यों?
आधा है, आधा से ज़्यादा पूरा माल भरा पड़ा है दुकान में. कोई वो वाली बात नहीं है, दुकानदारी में देखते हो उस हिसाब से.
अच्छा, आपके यहाँ भी कम आए हैं लोग, लेकिन अभी तो शुरू हो गई है छोटी होली, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आ जाएंगे.
आज ही है लास्ट दिन, उस हिसाब से देखते हैं.
So he is hopeful that maybe by evening more people, because right now he is saying the very few customers have turned up. But yes, there is a lot of enthusiasm here. Let me again show you. This is the route that will be taken for the procession. That's one of the reasons that route is properly decorated. You can see the buntings and already the loudspeakers are here. The music is being played. They are going for the proper lighting also is being done. They want to just make this occasion memorable one. So all measures have been taken, and here you can see. Just look at this street and many more streets from where the procession will be moving.
So amid tight security festivities that are also being marked and celebrated on the occasion of Holi there. And let's also get you the pictures there in the ancient Hindu temple where Pradeep Datta had also got us pictures from. It is believed that these holy rituals that had been performed after nearly 48 years.
Right now you can see that floral petals are being showered, and besides it, the color is being splashed. And here, Holi is being celebrated at Kalkesh Kalkeshwar Mandir here in Khagusrai. There's a lot of enthusiasm, and why not? Because it's after 48 years, finally the holy Milan function is being organized by Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and finally the gates of we're thrown open for devotees. And since then we have seen Jal Abhishek is being performed, and now here the holy celebration. कितना उत्साह है, 48 वर्ष एक लंबा समय उसके बाद होली का जो त्योहार मनाया जा रहा है।
46 वर्षों के बाद इस मंदिर को आज हम लोग सभी इकट्ठे हुए हैं और 46 वर्षों के बाद इस मंदिर पर होली मनाई जा रही है। बड़ा ही उत्साह है। सभी विश्व हिंदू परिषद के, बजरंग दल के, हमारे सभी कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं और सभी बड़ी धूमधाम से इस होली का पर्व को मनाने जा रहे हैं। इस बार एक अलग ही लोगों के अंदर जोश खरोश के साथ होली मनाने का एक जज्बा है। उसका प्रमुख कारण ये है कि संबल को जो पहचान मिली है, संबल का जो अस्तित्व छुपा हुआ था, वो हमारे शासन की तरफ से, शासन के प्रयासों से उसे उजागर किया गया है।
Holi will complete a zeal and fervor, and security has also been beefed up. You can see right now, large number of police personnel have also been deployed ahead of Holi. They want that there should be no law and order problem.
Meanwhile, when it comes to Holi celebrations that are also taking place at AMU or the Aligarh Muslim University as we speak, where the administration, which had initially denied permission, but after a section of students insisted, permission was later granted. At the Aligarh Muslim University proctor, Wasim Ali, who had said that there were no restrictions or that were imposed on any festival, but the bona fide students are only entering the club area. That is the responsibility of the police there to maintain law and order.
अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में फिलहाल तस्वीरें होली की हैं, जहां पर हिंदू छात्रों द्वारा होली का ये महोत्सव मनाया जा रहा है। देख सकते हैं कैंपस के अंदर फिलहाल जिस तरीके का सेलिब्रेशन जारी है, एक दूसरे को रंग लगाते, खेलते, कूदते छात्र जो हैं होली के इस त्योहार को मना रहे हैं। आपको बता दें कि लगातार प्रशासन से गुजारिश करने के बाद भी इन्हें अनुमति नहीं मिल रही थी, लेकिन अब जाकर इन्हें सफलता मिली है। इन्होंने प्रशासन को बकायदा एक चिट्ठी लिखी थी और होली के इस पर्व को इस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर मनाने की अनुमति भी मांगी थी। फिर आप देखते रहेंगे यहाँ पर छात्रों की लगातार जो त्योहार है होली का वो मनाने की कोशिश और तैयारियां जो है वो चल रही हैं। आप लोगों ने इसके पहले भी प्रयास किए थे कि 9 तारीख को आपको सेलिब्रेट करने मिले, हालांकि अब आप लोगों को फाइनली इजाजत मिल गई है।
लेट परमिशन मिली है लेकिन बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
मजा आ रहा है।
हमारे कुछ दोस्त घर चले गए हैं, उसका बहुत दुख हो रहा है, पर प्रयास करेंगे अगले बार हम सब साथ होली मनाएं।
होली ब्रदरहुड और फ्रेटर्निटी को अपील करता है, तो इसमें क्या ही दिक्कत है फिर सबके साथ मिलने में।
संदेश छात्रों द्वारा साफ तौर पर कि जो भाईचारे का ये त्योहार है इसे पूरा किया जाए।
Well, from the Aligarh Muslim University, Shivani is connected with us. Shivani, if you can also speak to the students there, tell us how they are celebrating the festival and why in the first place permission was denied.
Well, interestingly, Harinder will first take you through the visual and then again we'll come back to the students. As you can see, the celebration over here is still continuing. Their faces are all colored. And of course, they were seeking the permission for the 9th of March to celebrate this festivity. But again, now they have been granted the permission for 13th and 14th of March. And as you can see, a large group of people have already celebrated it. We'll take the words from the students as well. Earlier, you people were not granted the permission. Now that the battle has come ahead and you guys have got sought out permission as well, but still there are blames that it is happening to create some kind of ruckus and give a wrong message.
My name is Akhil Kaushal. I am a master's student in AMU. I applied for a permission through AMU Proctor to the Vice Chancellor of AMU for a Holy Milan ceremony in NRSC club. But the AMU administration clearly rejected that permission. But we were protesting for 12 days regularly, and after our protest, the AMU administration has granted the permission, and now all the students are happily celebrating Holi. And I want to give a message to the to India that something is going to change here in AMU very early, and Bharat Mata ki jai, Vande Mataram.
Okay, as you can see, the celebration continue. What will be your message as you were seeking the permission to celebrate Holi on the 9th of March, though it has been granted now?
We have been seeking permission from the AMU administration, but it has been granted, and as you can see that it has been very peaceful, and there is not even a single instance when people are fighting or creating a ruckus. And here everyone is happy, and we are meeting new people. That is the main reason why we have organized this, because we wanted to meet new people who are coming to Aligarh.
Right. And after this, there will be more celebration of such more festivities happening in AMU?
Sure. Today Holi is being celebrated in AMU. I announced that Diwali will also be celebrated in EMU. I want to recite a शेर that इब्तिदा-ए-इश्क है होता है क्या, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या.
Well, that is the mood, and of course the celebration here again continues. As you can see, the students still celebrating the Holi, and of course they are sharing the message of Holi, where they will continue to celebrate it together. And as you can see, the chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai continue to rise in Aligarh Muslim University, and they clearly say that not only that this is the first scenario of Holi that is taking place here, but ahead as well there will be more such festivities like Diwali and other Hindu festivities. Those will be celebrated in AMU. And as you can see, the number of students here is still large, and also the security has been placed. The Superintendent of Police here, Mrigang Pathak, has stated that till the time students continue to celebrate, there will be the local police of Aligarh. Those will assist them to keep the security with the view. And also not only that, but there are locals, those who want to come in, celebrate. They will also be allowed here to come. But as you can see at the very entrance, there is officers, the police personnel being deployed here, because as you can see already there have been multiple glances at the AMU where ruckus took place in past as well. But now to avoid that, we can see that there are students, those are continuing and celebrating it. What will be your message as you are celebrating it today?
There is a famous saying regarding India, that is what we get to see here is unity in diversity. And today we are witnessing such an event that our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has regarded AMU as a mini India, and we will see the unity and diversity, and we are getting to see. We are setting an example for our upcoming future generation that all the festivals will be celebrated here with love and peace, and no one will feel discriminated here.
Of course, so that is a strong message, Amita, that is coming across from the students, that they say that Holi is just the beginning of those festivities. Those will be celebrated in this university. And of course, continuing the message given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, students will make sure that they will mark the celebration of other such festivities as well in Aligarh Muslim University. And again, this remains just a beginning of festivities. And as you can see, there are visuals, there are statements coming out from students that they have started it, and they are chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai, giving it a unity in diversity sort of message to rest of the world. And they are saying that they will be making a mark for the future generations. Those will be celebrating further festivities like Diwali, Holi, and many more things, and many more festivals will be celebrated. And they say that again in near future AMU will be seen in a different picturization, and different sort of visuals will be coming here giving a different message.
So historic in its own way. I mean, Pradeep getting us those pictures from Sambhal and Shivani getting us those pictures from the Aligarh Muslim University as far as the festival of Holi that is now being celebrated, and nearly a gap of over 48 long years. Sambhal, the Mandir pictures that you just got us a short while back, Pradeep, because this is the message of Bhaichara that Shivani has also been talking about, of brotherhood that is now coming across different communities residing together, festivals that are being celebrated amid peace, and also calls for maintaining law and order. However, the police are also said to be on high alert with flag marches taking place. Pradeep.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because the idea of India is all about unity in diversity. Coexistence of different faiths, that's basically the idea of India. And the idea of India is alive here in Sambhal as well as Aligarh Muslim University. Because there are some people who try to politicize issues, they try to add colors of politics in that. Even today, opposition party leaders are trying to do. But if we talk about the community members here, whether it's Hindu, whether it's some Muslims here, they have decided to celebrate this function, this festival with zeal and fervor. And this is after a long time that there's a coincidence that Friday, Ramadan Friday, as well as the Holi is coming on the very same day. And that's one of the reasons that the security measures have been taken. Short while back, there was a flag march. We saw that wave of men in khaki. They were marching from the lanes and by-lanes of Sambhal. They were trying to send a message loud and clear that there's going to be a zero tolerance so far as the anti-social activities are concerned. They will not allow anybody to take law and order in their hand. And the second thing was they were trying to generate confidence among the people also. Let me speak to more people here and try to find out कितना इस बार उत्साह कितना है?
उत्साह बिल्कुल नहीं है,
उत्साह कितना है इस बार आपके पास? बहुत उत्साह है। भाईचारा का पैगाम को देना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, सही है,
पूरा भाईचारे का पैगाम. So the community members are saying that we are going to send the message of brotherhood from this place, and here you can see the various eatables. There are stalls also, that properly this bazaar is being decorated, and because they have almost this Sambal bazaar is decked up like a bride, and in the evening you will find that the area will be properly illuminated. So the message will be loud and clear that we are together, we are united, we are one Bharat, and nobody is going to divide us. There are certain elements who often try to instigate, but they have given the befitting reply to them, because nobody thought that it will be easy for the Muslim to decide that they are going to adjust the prayers, and finally the Muslims have decided, because they want this celebration to be there with full zeal and fervor, with full gaiety, and that's what actually they are doing. So they are going to offer prayer wherever the procession will be moving earlier. They will be offering prayers a little bit later. Wherever it is moving a little bit later, they will be offering prayers a little bit earlier. Though the mosques have been covered with the tarpaulin, so that they are trying to ensure that the walls of the mosque are not smeared with color. But yes, already you can see my face is also smeared with color, and it is not about the festival of color. It is the commingling of different cultures, different faith coming together and keeping alive that idea of India. That means coexistence of different faith, Yakjayati, and that's what makes India really stronger. And that is the message on this holy from this Yogi's Sambal area, where he has already made it clear that he is going to revive Sanskriti, he is going to revive Sabhyata, and he is going to revive lost glory of Sanatan Dharma, because that had been buried for so many years because of the politics that was going on. We have already seen the 68 pilgrim sites, 18 of them have been excavated, many more are to be excavated in the coming days. The process has really started. Idea is basically they want to make this Sambal a pilgrimage center, because this is the place about which is written in the textbook, which are 5,000 years old, and those texts already indicate that the Kalki Bhagwan is going to, that is the 10th avatar of Vishnu, will be born here in Sambal. And that's one of the reasons, that's the real importance of Sambal region, because Sambal region is about pilgrimage center. And once it becomes, all these pilgrim sites are revived, are restored, definitely it's going to give fillip to tourism.
So this is the Ekta Ki Holi message that is now going across right from Sambal to AMU as far as holy festivities that are now being marked. And of course, speaking of maintaining law and order, flag marches that are also being conducted. Let's talk about that. Right from Uttar Pradesh to national capital now, where Delhi police is also conducting a flag march in Hauz Khas area to ensure that people are assured of security arrangements. Let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, flag march also conducted by Delhi police in what all areas in the national capital? If you can give us the details, please.
Yeah, certainly. The Delhi police has also been on a high vigil because of the holy celebration and the kind of development which is happening in the neighboring state of Uttar Pradesh, to be very precise, in the western part of the Uttar Pradesh, for which Hauz Rani, Ilampur, Zafrabad, Shiv Vihar, Musawabad, Bhajanpura, Trilokpuri, and other areas have been on the prime target of Delhi police, which are considered to be an area where you have mixed population. All the Delhi police personnel who are of senior rank, their leaves have been cancelled, and 24 locations have been identified by the Delhi police where high vigil of the security is being done by the Delhi police. So not only in Western Uttar Pradesh, but also in the national capital, we have been observing that there have been cities of flag march which are being organized by Delhi police.
So these are the areas that are said to be sensitive areas ahead of the holy celebrations that we are looking at certain flag marches being conducted, Priya?
Yeah, I beg your pardon. So there are 24 locations which are considered sensitive as far as the crime records are concerned. These are the areas where you have mixed population from members of both the communities. So there have been peace committee meetings which have been happening over the period of last 1 week. But today, being the first day of holy celebration and tomorrow as well, all the leaves of the senior officials have been cancelled of the district jurisdiction. And the Delhi police have also been doing flag march to show their presence on the ground. Similar to what Pradeep have also been showing it to our viewers, there have been series of flag march which has been used by the Delhi police to give their presence, although there's no oppose or from any of the member of the committee which has come up either regarding the Friday prayer, which is tomorrow, or the holy celebration which has started from today onwards. So certainly, Delhi police is saying that they will ensure peaceful, holy this year also, like previous years.
All right. So to avoid any untoward situation, therefore, tomorrow, holy festivities there, we are looking at flag marches that are not only being conducted in the national capital, sensitive areas there, but including that of Sambal as well. Is that true? Pradeep, if you can give us a roundup of where all in Sambal that we are looking at, especially when it comes to the procession route tomorrow, which would also be taken out on the occasion of Holi, where these flag marches are taking place.
is a place where I am standing. From here, the flag march started from basically from the Kalki temple. It moved from outside the Jama Masjid, because Jama Masjid is the area from where, for the last several years, the holy procession takes place. And that's one of the reasons that certain precautionary measures have been taken. One is that, as we have been talking about since yesterday, that how these mosques have been covered with the tarpaulin sheets, they have been covered with the polythene sheets, because they do not want the mosque wall to get smeared with color, because they are looking after taking care of sensitivity of other faith also. And besides this, mosque committees have also decided that they are going to adjust mosque namaz timing so that they do not interfere or with the timing of the holy procession, so that people do not face any kind of problem. There are people here also. कितना जोश है, कितना उत्साह है?
बहुत ज्यादा जोश है और बहुत ज्यादा उत्साह है आपके होली के उसमें, और हमें बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
इस बार काफी भीड़ आएगी।
काफी भीड़ है, लोग बड़ी उत्साह से होली मना रहे
देखते हैं, जब मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ने भी डिसाइड किया कि मस्जिद की जो नमाज की टाइमिंग है थोड़ा लेट की जाए होली को लेकर,
ये उन्होंने अपनी समझदारी का परिचय दिया है। हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई, संबल एक गंगा जमनी तहजीब का संबल शहर है और यहाँ कोई विवाद नहीं होने का, सभी समझदार लोग।
Strong message for all those politicians who are trying to divide Sambal, who are trying to widen the fault line. Hindu, Muslim, bhai.
That's the real picture, and the message that is now coming across is that of peace and also building of community. However, looking at the hindsight, if there are any sensitive areas and a probability of any law and order situation to be avoided at all costs, we are looking at flag marches by the police being on high alert and vigil that is also being maintained, whether be it in Sambal or whether be it in the national capital. We'll get you more back after a short break.